Okay. Hello guys and welcome back to mission number 2. The loser will have to do the challenge for the day. So we will do heads or tails for each one of us, the practical jokers, and the loser with the most loss will do the challenge. Okay. Heads or tails?
Heads.
Bob.
Heads.
That's tails for Bob. That's one loss.
Bro.
And now for boy. Heads or tails?
Tails.
That's a tail. Okay. Now for Kyle.
Oh.
Okay, cut!
No cut. Heads or tails? Kyle. Heads.
Yes, sir.
And that's it. Janiro. It's me. It's still me. It's still me. It's still me. It's still me. Okay. Someone give me. Okay.
Head or tails?
Tails.
Tails.
Okay, Janiro.
Janiro.
Bob. And looks like we have our loser. It is Bob. And for Bob's challenge is to go down and sit with the random people sitting on the public bench and ask the time. And he will, after asking the time, he will talk about his life to them. Random parts of his life.
Bro, that's tough, bro.
Let's go and continue the
That's
challenge.
tough, bro.
So, Janiro looks like he can't do it because he really just wants someone to be with him because that's not part of the rules. So, Janiro's punishment will be half because I will do it myself and show him what I can do. He will have to do 10 push-ups. 10 push-ups, but I will show him that I can do it without anyone coming with me and I can do it first try. So, I will just show it to him how it's done. I will show them how it's freaking done, bro. First try. Watch me, Rep. Watch me, Nene. Anong oras na? Nakalimutan ko mag-ano? Nakalimutan ko magbago ng aso.
Boss, doon nakabidyo ka? Ang bilis mo parang di pa.
Wow, parang balas na.